Om Shanti students. Now I am going to discuss the first chapter of chemistry, some basic concept of the chemistry. Under this chapter, all of you will be familiar. First topic, importance of chemistry. Importance of chemistry. After that, I will discuss the properties of matter. Properties of matter and their measurements. Then uncertainty in measurement. Measurements. After that, law of chemical combination. Mole concept. Chemical equation. Different modes to express the strength of solution. And last topic, that is the empirical formula. Dear student, in view of the examination, here the topic uncertainty in measurement, I will discuss the significant figure for 1 marks and precision and accuracy. That terminology also important under this topic. And under law of chemical combination, I will discuss the law of conservation of mass, law of multiple proportion, law of definite proportion, and Gay-Lussac law, Avogadro's law, and numericals related to it. After that, the next topic will come, that is very important in view of entrance exam also, mole concept. You always get one question related to mole concept in any entrance exam. So, you must do practice the numericals related to mole concept. After that, stoichiometric reaction, that is chemical equation. And now after that, different modes to express the strength of solution, means the strength of solution can be expressed in molarity, molality, normality likewise, and here also the numericals. And now last topic, that is the empirical formula. So here the also numericals. So dear students, this topic mainly for the numerical problems, and each topic having the numericals. So here you have to show the more concentration and effort to solve the numerical problem, so that it will be more easier. So before starting the topic now, just you tell me what is the chemistry. So all of you know the chemistry is the branch of the science which deals with the composition, structure, properties and interaction of the matter. Interaction of matter means that is the interaction of atom and molecules. You can say the transformation of the matters. So all these are discussed under the chemistry branch. And for the sake of convenience, chemistry is subdivided into various disciplines like the physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, industrial chemistry, agricultural chemistry. So now come to the point, the topic, the importance of the chemistry. So all of you know, compared to the other branch of the science, physics and bio, the chemistry is the more important, that play more important role in our daily life. So point by point, just few point will be given. Just you think, you look around yourself, whatever you observe, everywhere you will get the chemistry. Without chemistry, you can't observe anything. Anything you observe, thereon the chemistry exists, you can say in short. So chemistry plays the central role in science and is often intervened with the other branch of the science like physics, biology, geology. Other is a zoology, not, it is the geology, Bhugarbh Shastra, and the various dangerous diseases are cured by the life saving drugs like the cisplatin, Taxol, which are effective in the cancer therapies, and in short medicine name, that is AZT, that is azithromycin, used for the help AIDS victim. So these two name of the medicine are important. Sometimes one mass question asks, so you have to know the some name of the drugs, so that will be better in view of the examination. And chemistry also plays an important role in daily life. Look around yourself, everywhere chemistry reflects. For rapid increase of population, chemistry provides foods by enhancing crops production through fertilizer. Without fertilizer, it would be not possible to provide so much foods for the large population. This is the, and next point you can say, this is the era of the polymers. Everyone knows importance of the polymers, ceramics, optical fibers and dyes, superconductors, all credit goes to the chemistry. So all of you know the what is the important role of the chemistry in our life, from home life to the war life. Everywhere the chemistry needs. Without chemistry, we can't sustain our life, you can say in short also. So now next topic, the properties of the matter and their measurement. So properties of matter, there are two properties of the matters, that is physical properties and chemical properties. So all of you know the physical properties and chemical properties in lower classes. Again and again it is taught, and you all of you are familiar, no need to discuss about it, physical properties and chemical properties. And the next, their measurement, all the physical quantity having the some units. So in 11th class in physics, the first chapter of the physics, the unit and dimension. So in that chapter, the units and dimension are discussed in details. In chemistry, here only you have to know the units of some physical quantity, because in chemical calculation some units are required. So you must know the changing from one system to other system. So all of you know there are 7 base of the units for the weight, length, volume, temperature, electricity, intensity of light. So these are the 7 base of the unit, that is known as the fundamental units, that unit independent of the any other the physical quantity, but the various units derive from the these fundamental units, that depends upon these 7 base units. Hence that is known as derived unit, like the density, mass by volume. So that depends upon 2 physical quantity. Likewise the various physical quantity that comes under the derived unit. So, just I told you the units will be discussed in physics in detail, but only here you have to familiar. So, just suppose you have to convert the kilometer into meter, hour convert into second, miles convert into the meter. Suppose the 20 kilometer per hour speed of the vehicle 20 kilometer per hour, you have to convert into the meter per second. So, likewise you have to know the, and generally one marks asked in the exam before the half yearly exam, one marks generally drop related to the unit. So, all of you must know. So, it is also not need to discuss in details related to the measurement of the units. So, next topic I will discuss the law of chemical combination. No, sorry, uncertainty in measurements. So, in next class I will discuss the uncertainty in the measurement, that is important for the examination, and that terminology important, that is the accuracy and precision. So, next class I will discuss that one. Okay, thank you.